How to export SPSS data to Microsoft Excel. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now you have to make sure that the data that you would like to export is ready. And now you're going to head over to the top of your screen and click on File. Now you want to scroll over to where you see Export, and then guys, you're going to go to the options there and click on Excel. Now go ahead and choose your file location. Where would you like this Excel file to be saved to? Just click the drop down and select. Then you can head over and also change the name of this file. Now it's named Untitled. You want to give it some other name that you will remember. Now when you are done, you want to click on Save. Then I'm going to head over to Excel so that we can open the file we just saved. You want to head over to the top of your screen and click on File. Now you want to go over to Open, and then guys, you're going to scroll to Open from this device. Go ahead to select the file that you just saved from SPSS. You want to select it, and then you'll be clicking on Open to get this file. Now if you have the app, by now your SPSS file should be on your Excel, but for me, I'm using the web version, so I need to take it a step further. So go to the top of your screen and click on File, and then go over to Auto Saved Online and click on Documents. Now the next thing I want to do is to search for the file I uploaded online. Then I tap on it for it to open. And guys, this is the file that we exported from SPSS. Now this is how easy it is to export SPSS data to Microsoft Excel. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.